Hello, this is Amrit. Do you want to learn how you can create a pencil sketch from your any image? If you said yes, then this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, you learn how you can create that beautiful pencil sketch from any image. To learn this, let's get started the video. To follow this tutorial, you can download this image link in the description. First of all, just open your image. I am just opening this my first image. Now I am just open my second image which I used to create a sketches. Just click on this file and click on this open and select your image here where you want to create a pencil sketch. I am just selecting this image. After this I am click on this open. Now over this image is opened, I am just drag this image to that document. After this I am just adjusting here its size. Just take this from a corner and adjust in this canvas. I am just adjust it here. I'm just rotate it a little bit. Now I'm just adjust it here. After adjusting your image, just right click on it and convert this into a smart object. We are converting this image into a smart object because if we later on needs to change its value, then we can do that easily. Now I am just change its name to a pencil sketch. After changing its name, just go to adjustment layer and click on this mask. After adding this mask, just go to side pane and click on this brush tool and selecting here this soft round brush and also increase here its brush size, and I am also decreasing here its opacity and also decreasing its flow. Now I am just paint on this mask. Make sure the foreground color is a black. If you have a white color on this, just press X to toggle between these black and white foreground color. Now I am just paint on this mask. We are painting on this mask because we want to just match this image with our this background copy. I'm just increasing here its opacity a little bit and also paint here and there. After painting on this, you can see here this is looking now smoother and its edges also look smooth. Now I am just change here its blend mode from normal to multiply. With this our this image is blend with the background. Now just select here this image and go to top and click on this filter. In this filter you can select here this filter gallery, and now just select here this charcoal in this sketches. I am just click on this. Now you can see here our this image is turned into a sketching, but this is not looking a realistic. To make it realistic, you can just play with this thickness. I am just increasing its thickness. Let's increase here its value to a 3. Now you can see here this is looking amazing. Now you can also play with these details. I am decreasing here its value to a 4. You can also increase or decrease here a light or a darkness on your image. Let's increase it. With this, the darkness is added on our image. We are taking here a value of a 66. After this, just click on this OK button. By the way, if you want to learn how you can create a black and white dramatic look on your image, then go watch this video. Now come back to our tutorial. You can see here this pencil sketch is created. To make it more elastic and adding some depth to our this pencil sketch, just double click on it and change here its blend. If just take this slider to a left side to create some texture on our image. To make this smoother, just press Alt key and break this slider. Just take this all the way right and you can just stop where you see a smoothness on your this pencil sketch. I am just stop here, and you can also take this from a dark areas. It's depend on your image how you can use these blend dips. Just press Alt key to break this slider and take this all the way left. After this, just hit on a OK button. With this, some texture is added on our image. Now you can see here this pencil sketch is created. With these simple steps you can create this pencil sketch. That's it. I hope you really enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. So see you in a next video. Till then, bye bye.